Yup, you already know. We got another 13 on deck. It's the Jordan 13 Court Purple. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button.
Perfect.
Yo, we're about to get into it, eh? You already know, fam. About to put these hoes on the turntable, make them do the merengue and all that. Yo, without further ado, alright, YouTube, we're here and we're looking at the Jordan 13, Michael Jordan's 13th signature sneaker. Man, is it just me or do these 13s get no respect in Canada? They seem to just sit until they hit the bin, and then after the bin, they're worth a lot more money. Go figure. Anyways, let's take a look at this upper, man. First thing you're gonna notice here is this wicked 3M print. And you know, this is one of those things that really makes the 13 stand out, is this half Cordoba material, ballistic mesh mixed with the 3M. Super cool, man. And it's one of those details that really helps to make the 13 pop. Gives it a real premium look. 3M, yo, that's a must. 3M is a must, especially at nighttime. One of the coolest inventions to put on shoes since sliced bread. Court purple, yep, I'd say that's purple, all right. Mike Bibby, PE, well, beware. You know, part of the issue I have with the 13s is the fact that this corner and these crevices, these nooks and crannies get dirty so quickly because the suede runs all the way to the outsole. And that's not a thing I'm very much a fan of. I like when this is actually like a poly or a painted, because these get dirty so quick, man. You really got to keep them clean, man. You got to remember, they're mostly suede, so you have to like treat them as such. Now, don't get me wrong, I like me some suede, but Jordan 13s are one of the worst looking shoes when they get beat, man, especially when they get dirty. So I'd highly suggest a good spray if I was you. 3M upper here, and this does an amazing job. I'm obviously going to show you guys what these look like when they light up, because they basically glow in the dark, for God's sakes. And that's one of the things I like about them. You know, you have your Jordan brand hologram here. I got the wrapping on there still, but you see a 23 and you see Jordan doing the Jumpman thing, doing his thing. Toe box is primarily leather, but I don't know about the quality of this leather. I mean, I do have the shoe tree in there, but it's just your regular standard 13 leather, if you guys are familiar. Jordan branding on the front of the toe box, on the front of the lacing. And one thing I do like about these 13s is how buttery the tongue feels, man. It feels like this is some short-haired suede, and this is more of the material that you'd find on the other Jordan 13s. I actually have my other 13s here, and we're gonna compare them, just because I know I have the best 13s of all time, and that's the Black Cats. Now, for all you guys who missed out on the Mike Bibby PE, I mean, these are as close as you're gonna get, so you might as well cop up. You already know these are probably gonna be one of the best looking purple shoes that's gonna come out this year. So now they gave you regular black lacing, and you know, to be honest, I wish they gave you 3M lacing too. And once again, the 3M lacing comes with the Black Cats. You know, I'm not trying to say anything, but you know, it is what it is. Court purple Jumpman there. And one of the things that I like most about this shoe are these traction pads, man. This helps to give the shoe such stability in your side-to-side movements. You know, these are a bit clunky. Some people don't like the Jordan 13s because they're too boot-like or whatever, but you know, I like them. You know, the only drawback about 13s is that these shoes get hot in the summer. They want to get hot. I ain't even gonna lie, especially on a sunny day. The tech, we got two zoom pads. You got a zoom pad in the back and a zoom pad in the front, and you got this giant carbon shank plate in the center of the shoe that helps to give it stability. And you know, these shoes they're pretty well good to go as soon as you get them on foot, man. There's not too much break-in time. You know, you have your white, purple, and black herringbone traction pads that really help to give you that traction that you need in the times when you need it, in the parts of the shoe where you need it. Black portions of the outsole, black outline, and you have your what would normally be a cat's eye, but this one's kind of like purpley, or I don't know what color that is in there, but you know, you got your white Jumpman branding. You know, the Jordan 13 bread was actually the first shoe that I actually noticed. To be honest with you, I wasn't even paying attention to 13s until a friend of mine in gym class actually had on the bread 13s, and we're talking about when they actually dropped. Like, I was in public school. I remember seeing the hologram. Whew, that was it. The outsole here is one of the coolest looking outsoles, along with the 6s, I think, in my opinion, man. These just are so cool to look at, just in general, in my opinion. The Panther is kind of Jordan's, his alter ego. People called him the Black Cat when he was in school and he was younger, his close personal friends. It's actually crazy, man, to see how much they've actually gone up in price just simply because of The Last Dance. You know, from the He Got Games to the Breads, these shoes been around for a long time. And I like the leather iterations a little bit better, but I don't know, 3M, dog. 3M. A lot of people were waiting for these to come out. I actually missed out on the Royals. I was looking for the Royals, man, but I couldn't justify buying them. But anyways, let's do a quick comparison of my Black Cats, because I have them here for you. And I'll tell you why my Black Cats, I think, are the best Jordan 13s of all. Now, if you notice on the Black Cats, the difference is I have 3M on these laces. These laces actually came with 3M. And yeah, this is my personal pair. It's been worn, so it's a little bit dirty, all right? Relax. But anyways, yeah, I got that crazy boot. Look at that. You see the difference there? You don't get that on the Court Purples. I mean, obviously these have color, but I could wear these with anything, man. And here you have the painted midsole there that runs to the outsole, so I don't have to worry so much about these getting nasty and crusty. If they do, I just catch a quick repaint, you know what I mean? But black goes with everything, baby. 3M laces, and I still get that nice feeling suede. It's just I gotta watch how I treat these, to be honest with you. But yeah, so I mean, I didn't cop the Royals either, but when you got the Black Cats, it's basically this shoe, man. It's the same shoe, except this got some purple on it. The difference is this midsole. The midsole, man, that's what's gonna prevent it from looking nasty. So these might be the most perfect 13s that have ever come out, on God. It's just a great shoe. Now, these came out in 2017. These came out this year, obviously, and we're just looking at slight differences in the build quality here. And there's not too much. Now, the 3M can be different on a lot of these 13s. As you go down the list and you go up in, up in age, the 3M actually looks different, has a different reflection. So I expect these are gonna sit. These are sitting in Canada, and come 2 years from now, people are gonna be buying them out the gym, because that's how it is. People miss out and then they want what they don't have later down the road, even though they were sitting there the whole time. Anyways, let's take a look at this box real quick. Even still, with all the clunkiness and the hot box foot, these shoes are one of the most comfortable shoes I ever put on my foot, fam. You know what I mean? All right, so we have the box right here, and look at that. You got a little Concord Jumpman symbol there. Silver box as usual with the 13s, and my came with the same thing, except it was a red Jumpman. Let's see what we got here. The tag looks a little bit different than my Black Cats. Box reads Air Jordan 13 black, Court Purple, white, size 10.5. Nothing crazy inside the box, but if any of you guys can explain to me why these fire ass shoes sitting in Foot Locker right now for retail full sizing, let me know in the comments below, because I just feel like these shoes are too nice to be sitting on the shelf. If we know anything from the Royals, these are gonna pick up in price not too long after they hit the bin. So maybe wait till these go on sale and then cop. Bro, are these better than the Royals, or are the Royals better than this, or the Breads better than this? Sacramento fans, it's like, it's your time. So we know the Mike Bibby PE looks a lot like these joints. Did you guys cop the Bibbies, or did you miss out? Because if you missed out, you done know you have to cop these ones, because these are as close as you're gonna get, fam. Straight up. That's it for the review. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button for your boy. We about to head to that on foot and all that, so you can see what these look like before you go and spend that hard-earned bread. You already know what it is. Retro got back with another one. Yeah, on foot time, baby. Let's go. Perfect.